Hey everybody, Brian Horvath here, and I want to talk to you about today's LinkedIn hot tip. And as you can see, I got about a minute and 50 seconds left with that little intro. I want to share with you how to create and how to deploy for you the ultimate LinkedIn profile. And so this is going to be a fast and furious kind of overview for you, but just get you thinking, get the wheels turning, whether you're starting with LinkedIn from the get-go or you just need to make certain tweaks. But long story short is, if you're a business professional in a corporate setting, or you're in a nonprofit organization, you're a government contractor, or even an entrepreneur, then you must have the ultimate LinkedIn profile. Why? Let's talk about 3 C's here. One, you want to have it where your ultimate LinkedIn profile will help you connect with the right people, right? Secondly, it will help you communicate what you do best in a positive manner. And the third C is it'll help you convert, creating win-win-win scenarios where you benefit, those are serving benefits, everybody wins in this scenario, right? So the ultimate LinkedIn profile helps you connect and also communicate and also convert. Those are the 3 C's. Now, how do you craft, Brian, and create the ultimate LinkedIn profile? Well, if you were just to open up a LinkedIn profile today, you will see that it's kind of hardwired, if you will, hard-coded with certain pieces of content that you need to fulfill and need to complete and help you get to an all-star setting. I want you to go beyond all-star. I want you to be ultimate. And so what I want to help you to do is to consider, you need to have a professional headshot. And this is where we get fast and furious here. I got 30 seconds. You want to have a professional headshot. You want to have a nice cover photo that talks about what you do best. You want to have a headline that really speaks loud and clear about how you add value to the marketplace. Your about section, your featured section, your work experience, recommendations, and then other. And what is other? If you've had publications you've been a part of, how have you volunteered? What kind of companies are you following? What interests do you have? And what causes do you support? That gives a little bit more of a personal insight to who you are and how you do what you do. To help you go further with this, I want you to download your LinkedIn Profile Quick Start Guide for free.